Actually, still starting. Go.
Hi, we're live from Surgery Center of Viera and Millennium Medical Management with our patient from yesterday. He had a 7-level posterior cervical decompression infusion. And how you feeling today?
Actually feeling really well.
And this is what, within 24 hours of surgery, right?
Within 24 hours, yeah.
Yeah,
Less than 24
Yeah,
hours.
they finished at 6:30 yesterday.
Yeah, so this is less than 24 hours.
Yeah, it's probably 18 hours.
Standing up without any wobbling, doing very well.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
That's the typical results that we experience here at Deuk Spine. We also have our assistant surgeon, Augusto, who was a part of the surgery. And so tell me a little bit about the pain that you were having prior to surgery.
Prior to surgery, I had some pain running down my arm and into my hand. And the other arm, I was told that I was actually losing strength in my arm. Didn't even know it. Doctors did a very good job of figuring that out. They do a very good test, a lot of tests beforehand. They did a great job from day one since I stood into this office. I'm very happy with all the staff. Everybody's done a great job from, like I said, the day I got here. And so they took a look at my x-rays. They knew, in the MRI, knew that I needed this surgery. And I knew this was the place I wanted to get it done.
That's fantastic. So what is something that you did prior to surgery, prior to having that pain that you're looking forward to getting back to do?
What do you mean
As
exactly?
far as like an activity, a function that you were unable to do because of the severe neck pain,
Well,
what are you looking forward to being able to do in the future?
a lot of things. I mean, one, I want to be able to get back to work. I mean, I've been, kept from doing manual labor as much as I they want me to. And as soon as I put the collar on, they said, hey, you're not going to, do the work. So soon enough, I'll be able to be back to work and do what I need to do. Extracurricular activity and things. There's other things I'm going to want to do, offhand. I'm a workaholic, so I don't get a chance to do a lot of those. But
Well, we appreciate you putting your trust in us.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate all the work you guys did and everything that's working.
Pretty good, great.
Looks like I'm doing well, and see what happens.
Thank you.
All right.